Her package is coming. Here it comes. What VHS camera? VHS camera. What happens here? Is Johnny fucking Lord? Landon. I was imagining he was a leprechaun today. Let's see, got my feet. Watch this. Did you see that? Did you see that? It's amazing. I opened it. This VCR doesn't work. This VCR doesn't work. It does make a good camera right now. I don't know. You ready for the live show, guys? It's Joey and Friends. It's Joey and Friends. It's like Joey and Friends. It's Joey and Friends. Joey and Barney. Oh, I'm about to boot my pants. Wanna watch me do it? Just kidding. Oh, I got this I got this like 1999, and I got this in 1999. I got this in 1999. I got this back in 1999 when I was a kid. I got this back in 1999. How old is it? No one knows that I'm actually 30. I'm 40. I got this back in 1999. I had it all these years, never showed you. I got this back in 19. I got this in 1999. Like, I literally got this and I could film you and your friends and your family. Film the neighborhood. Film you, your friends, and your family. I could film you, your friends, Juliet, and have our own TV show. You think that Mark would want his own TV show? Do you think that Mark would want like his own TV show? I think Mark would want his own TV show. Talk about the TV show. Mark next to would want his own TV show. What? Yeah. No, I like the song. Why would astronauts fly in space? That's all. Oh, hold on. I gotta get in my car just while I got this. This is my weird. Like, see, I built this car. Did you see that I built this car? Driving. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Vroom. Look, I have doors on this vehicle. Look, I have doors. Don't you see? Look, there's my car. You can't see me. Doop, 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 doop. See, sit back here while grandma drive me around. So never went super good. Yeah, out there. Let's see here. What? You guys. I had shoes on. I had shoes on all this time. I thought I was good. Shoes on? I don't know. Oh no, well that's one out. Number. No. No. On the power lights. On the power lights. Oh, the lights are going out. Wow, we're cleaning our gun to restore. Exactly. Oh, the lights went out. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This is what I live in the homeless house. The homeless. The power went out. The power went out. Who's going to out for the power? You know, actually, I think I'm gonna build a place here. The power isn't out. I'm just kidding. It's just light bulbs. I got some wiring. I'm building a house. Look. The electricity in the house. Look, I'm building a house. Look, I'm building a house. Look. I used to have this hooked up. Now I gotta take this electricity down. It used to be hooked up here. Don't you see? This used to be. This used to be. The sparks. See, this used to be a home sparks. See the electricity. Where's where's that transformer? Do you see it? This used to be a home spark. But now I got it disconnected. As far as I know. This is like live wire down here. I gotta get it reconnected. Whoa, it's just I take so electricity to do this. Cut the lights off. Okay. Lights are off in that part of the city. Got any more? Little one of your fiber optic in your ink. This is how I charge my pants. How I charge me up. Charge. This is like I can hear the music in my head. RC or devil. I wonder if this would work with my SC camera. I could watch videos. I'm just kidding. This thing doesn't even work. That works with like my. Should I act like I went live in the broadcast? A live cameraman? What's there? Oh, the lights are back on. The lights are back on. The lights are back on. Oh, the lights are back on. The lights are back on. Yeah, they are. Where's the newscast? Where is the newscast? You know about the newscast? Wait, I gotta build the news. I had the newscast on down here. Wait, I had the newscast down here. Wait, I gotta show you the newscast. There used to be a newscast. I gotta show you the newscast. You remember this? I should just put a video just down here and act like it's a live newscast all the time. So then if we had water damage, it would make a great newscast studio. Hold on, I gotta get something out of that. Hold on, I gotta get something. Gotta get something out of that. This is the new studio that I have down here. I'm just kidding. I wasn't really doing it. I'm just kidding. I wasn't really gonna do that. I'm just kidding. I wasn't really gonna do that. Yes. It was just fun. Now the camera's staying here. But I can still film you and your family and your friends. Whom I still film you guys. I can still film you, your family, and your friends. Wow. Poop on. Bye. The Chinese men are Chinese men are. The Chinese men are coming. I gotta get out of here. Chinese men are coming. I gotta get out of here.